Hey friends, I just wanted to give you a quick tip today and some encouragement. I'm about to go work out and I put on one of my eBay 3/4 headband wigs to go work out. Let me show you what it looks like. I have an entire video on YouTube about this. If you just search Denise Sheets headband, you should be able to find my videos on this. Let me just show this one to you really quickly. So I bought this on eBay a few years ago. I paid less than $30 for it, and it's called a 3/4 wig or 3/4 wig because it's kind of unfinished, as you can see. I just stick a wig grip on, I put the wig on, and then I put a headband on and the wig either in a ponytail or a messy bun. The beauty of this is you cover most of the wig up. So if it's a shiny synthetic, which this one is, you really won't see much of it, especially if you put it in a messy bun, as opposed to a ponytail like I have it right now. I have gotten a number of wigs off of eBay this way, and I've really never been disappointed. I usually read the feedback on the sellers just to make sure that they've got decent feedback. And then I just buy one, and you can thin them, you can cut them, you can do whatever you want to them, and since they're not very expensive, I think the risk is really low. And then I just throw it on, put my wig grip on, throw the wig on, throw my headband on, kind of arrange the hair however I want it, and then I'm good to go. So if you're struggling with the hair loss journey and you're not sure how to navigate things like going to the gym, going for a run, and you don't want to do that in your bio hair, and you also don't want to do it in one of your more expensive wigs, consider getting a headband wig or a 3/4 wig from Amazon or eBay. You shouldn't have to pay very much money for it, and it really should be mainly shake and go. But if they're too dense or too thick, you can thin them. I have a video showing how to thin a wig. There's lots that you can do, but don't feel so discouraged that you just want to give up on this journey. I know hair loss is hard. I know it's a huge hit to our self-confidence and makes us very self-conscious, but I really think there are tons of great options out there for any budget. This one, to me, is a very budget-friendly option because these wigs should last you almost forever. I have one that I've been wearing all the time for over 3 years to work out, to run around, clean the house, all of those things. It's not looking super great when I have it down, but it's always in a headband and always up in a messy bun, so it doesn't matter. So you shouldn't have to buy too many wigs like this, and you can just wear them all the time if you want to. So there's my public service announcement for you guys today and some encouragement on your wig journey. Don't be so discouraged. There's so many great ways to make this work. And here's one for you. Headband wigs, 3/4 wigs. Have a great day.